channel if you're new. So I'm finally filming my Birchbox times Anthropology April box. Now, I know these aren't very popular videos, but I know the people that do watch them really like them, and I just do it for myself more than anything because I want to create a series and just look through the month's boxes, you know, compare them and stuff, and I am saving them to do a big testing Birchbox products video. Just keep your eyes peeled for that. But without further ado, I'm not going to ramble. I'm really out of breath because I've been doing so much stuff in my room and I'm so unfit. But this is the box. As you can see, I have opened it up. But this is April's box. I know you're seeing this in May. I'm not very organised, okay? Since getting a job, I've been focusing on that, and yeah, but we won't talk about that. But this box is so super pretty. Honestly, all the boxes I've got so far are so pretty, and I'm really happy about that. I heard so many great things about this box. The sneak peeks I saw over on Birchbox's Facebook and Instagram were amazing. So I was like, no, you know what? I cannot wait. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get in. So if you didn't know, Birchbox altogether cost £12.95 including shipping, and then you sometimes do collaborated boxes like this one, special edition boxes and, you know, that kind of thing. I really like them. I've really liked all the products I've got so far, and if there isn't any products if there's products in there that I think that could go in a giveaway, they'll go as extras in a giveaway, like a pamper based giveaway or something like that. So yeah, let's get on into what is in the box. So I'm gonna, okay, so you get the, I'm gonna let you see first. My eyes are closed. Let's see. Oh, you can't even see what's in here. Oh, that sounds quite good. Hang on, I'm gonna close my eyes again. There we go. Oh wow. Oh, that looks so good already. So this just says, win £500 Anthropology shopping spree and a 6-month Birchbox subscription. To enter, use your phone's camera to scan the code below or visit Anthropology. Competition closes 13th of May. Oh, I can still enter. Or I've also got a 20% off next purchase on the other side for Anthropology, so I will have a quick little look. But okay, so this, as always, just includes everything that you get in your box, and you do get personalised. These are personalised to you because you fill out a questionnaire about what kind of skin you've got, hair you've got, preferences, that kind of thing when you sign up for Birchbox. And it also says, May sneak peek, pick your Manakadar Beauty Mascara, so you get a hot pink or cool aqua. The same intensely volumizing formula in a hot pink or cool aqua tube. Wow, that looks good. Okay, so what have we got here? Oh, that looks so cool. So it's a Kinder Be Kinder in Positively Pink Mood Balm. So let's open this up. I'm not gonna know otherwise. So this is a full size. This retails for £13. And it's a mood balm in Positivity Pink or Sorbet Serenity. So I've got Positivity Pink. Nowadays we expect a bit more than just hydration from our lip balms, especially when we have genius innovations like this one from Kinder Beauty. The colour shifting formula adjusts to your unique pH, creating the perfect hue for you while simultaneously moisturising, of course. I love that. We love Kinder Beauty's philosophy. Be kinder to yourself, to others and the earth. So true. So this is the packaging. How cute is that? I will open it up in a bit. But yeah, it's in really nice sort of like cardboard packaging. That's really cute. I will definitely be testing that in the video. So keep your eyes peeled for that. What have we got here? Oh, Elemental Herbology Moisture Replenish Cell Plumping Facial Moisturiser. Okay, so this is a mini. However, you still, in my opinion, get a fair decent amount. You get 15ml, which is quite interesting. So the full size retails for £46. Blimey. Cell Plumping Moisturiser. Skin like the Sahara, turn to this seriously hydrating moisturiser to plump, hydrate and nourish your complexion. Its jam-packed formula is fortified with Elemental Herbology's 24-hour moisturising complex plus antioxidants, vitamins and minerals to leave you fresh-faced and radiant in a flash. Oh wow, look at this. All Elemental Herbology products are 100% cruelty-free and ethnically sourced. Wowza. Well, that's good for anyone that, obviously, I am a big advocate for cruelty-free and stuff like that, and sort of like economically friendly. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that. What is next? Oh, so it's Hygienes, I don't know how to pronounce that. Organic Purifying Face Wash. So this is obviously, once again, a mini, but these kind of things in Birchbox are perfect for like travel. I know you can't do it at the moment, but the full size retails for £21. Sweep away the day without stripping essential moisture with this purifying cleanser, ideal for all skin types. The blend of tea tree, aloe vera and glycerin eliminates every last trace of makeup and dirt without leaving your skin feeling dry or tight. Just bright, clear and healthy. Gently massage onto wet skin, then rinse and go. Glycerin naturally draws moisture to the surface of your skin. Win-win. Now, I like the sound of the ingredients because aloe vera works really well with my skin, and so does tea tree. Probably used glycerin before. Have no idea, but I'm really excited to try that. That's for sure. Oh, dry shampoo. Percy and Reed London. Shake well before use. That is such a cute bottle as well. It's like matte packaging. No fuss, fabulousness. In a hurry, don't get yourself into a lather. Because if you didn't know, I swear by Batiste dry shampoo. It's cheap, it's cheerful. This is the travel size, and the travel size retails for £6. And it's ideal for those in-between days. This volumizing dry shampoo gives a little life to roots and hair, a freshly washed look with just a few spritzes. The unique formula contains ultra-fine corn flour, which absorbs excess oil without leaving a residue in your hair, so you can say goodbye to white streaks. The limited edition fragrance with peony, rose and rhubarb will leave hair smelling, ooh, just so wonderful. I'm not sure I'm going to like the scent because peony is not for me. I'm not going to lie. So I will consider putting this in a giveaway because honestly, I know you could say try it, but sounds amazing. Product sounds fantastic, but I am just so not a fan of peony scents at all, or rose, to be honest with you. So that's probably going to go in a giveaway, so keep your eyes out for that. But it is still a really nice product nonetheless. And then the last thing is this facial silicone cleansing pad. It doesn't say full size, but it says retail like the old normal price, so £4.99. Birchbox exclusive. And this was from Brushworks. We all know that cleansing is crucial to keep blemishes at bay, but our hands can only do so much. Enter this clever purifying pad made from ultra hygienic flexible silicone with tiny bristles. It effectively lifts away dirt, makeup and impurities whilst gently exfoliating. Use morning and night to leave your skin soft, smooth and healthy. Use this with your Hygiene's face wash for your best skin yet. Oh, partner those two up. That sounds good. So out of all of them, I'm keeping every single product except the dry shampoo because I just think, you know what, give it to someone that probably prefers peonies and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in getting that in a giveaway. But yeah, so that is really, really exciting. And I'm really happy about that. I do like that they do these and I keep all of them. So yeah, that is everything for my Birchbox. If you didn't know, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, and on special boxes you get 6. I know, like for Valentine's Day you've got 6 products, which is really exciting. I will actually go and show you my collection of stuff so far because it's all in here in this IKEA box. So these are all the bits that I'm collecting to do a video on. Yeah, I've got some really exciting bits and pieces. So these are now going to transfer into here. I'm going to put that in my giveaway box. But yeah, so I'm very excited. Birchbox offer you a really good taster of lots of different brands, and it's definitely worth the money, I reckon, and I cannot wait to try them and test them out for you. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to smash a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already, because there are so many giveaways coming your way, because I just want to try and brighten up your time during this really hard and difficult scenario that's going on right now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye. Like I should.